This is the first time I have even seen any double packs today. Today is the first time I have seen these, and I had to grab a few. I actually, funnily enough, I got um, some of these today, and then some of them came in the mail. I actually ordered them about a week ago, and as you can see, these aren't looking so hot. Yeah, I wasn't really fond of that, and if you think that's bad, there's a secret box over here. uh, yeah. Debating on opening it. I mean, the cards are in the back, so maybe it's fine. Very scared. Very scared. There's something really good in here. Because, of course, that's how it's going to be, right? I feel like we have to open it for the content. I already messaged Walmart for a refund, hoping maybe I'd get one, but the Walmart site didn't even say it was like delivered yet, so I don't know. We'll see, but anyway, yeah, never gonna order shit from Walmart again. I got the treasure boosters, they were fine, but I guess because this is like, you know, flimsy, shitty, like, paper cardboard, it's a little different. Anyway, oh my god, yes, my first 5-pack, I mean, 2-pack, Tupac. Oh, it's so nice. Love the box. Kaido, Big Mom, Rayleigh, and Whitebeard. Oh, that is nice. They do have like the cardboard back and keep it all in place, so maybe they are fine. In case you didn't know, 2-packs, they come with a surprise Don. Ooh, and obviously 2-packs, or else then the name would be lying. So let's see what we got in this first one. I'm not sure what the Don. I think the Don is either it's like a silhouette of Rayleigh or the Gura Gura no Mi, like Whitebeard's fruit. And oh yeah, yeah, oh Whitebeard baby, I love that Don. That's such a good Don. Oh, that's so sick. I love that. The crack on the glass. Oh, I don't have a lot of sleeves actually over here. That's not good, but oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Might as well. Should we start opening all these now? Because we gotta see what's in the bad ones. Very upset, but anyway, let's get to it. 2 legends. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think Walmart's it. I got the other ones at Target, the ones that were in store. They were very nice and clean. I was happy about that. Starting off with the Shayuka, Rayleigh's girlfriend, and a who's who. Very nice, very nice. Funny story. This has been the hardest One Piece cards I've had to find. When 07 was a thing, I was just getting into the game, and I was finding packs left and right. But I wasn't even trying to buy packs. I was trying to get a starter deck to get into the game. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Whitebeard Don. Oh, beautiful. I gotta save that. Oh, yeah, that's a leader, so. But, nice 2 rares. Okay. Oh, Marco. But, yeah, I found so many packs of 07. It was actually kind of insane. They were full shelves filled with it, and I'm over here out here looking for starter decks. I'm trying my damnedest to find the yellow Yamato starter deck. Shittiest starter deck of all time, and I'm ignoring literal like dozens of sleeves of packs just for the shittiest starter deck ever. And then, of course, after I did get into the game, it was, those packs were nowhere to be found for the longest time. Okay, I think this is actually one of the rough boxes. Let's see what we got here. I don't know which is the rare Don, the Whitebeard or the Rayleigh. Oh, another Whitebeard. Okay, I'm assuming the Rayleigh is then, but I mean, the testing pool for that's kind of small, but whatever. We rolling with it. However, all of our hits right now are just Don. just Don cards. I mean, what else would you want, right? Let's see. Anything I'm chasing here? Not particularly. I don't think so. Oh! Well, shit! Spank my butt and call me a silly bosom boy. Holy shit! Body treasure rare. Oh, that's a banger. Holy shit! I was not expecting that at all. Oh god, is it in good condition? Jesus. Was this... I think it's... Okay, it's in very good condition. I'm scared because I think this was one of the slightly damaged packs, but... She looks great. She looks beautiful. I love Bonnie. Oh, great character. Her and Kuma. If you're anime only, you'll know soon. But, oh my god. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful pull. Oh my god. And oh yeah. Nice. For a second I thought it was going to be a secret rare. I was like, what? I don't get any others, right? Yeah. It's been a while since I opened packs. I haven't seen any. Damn. Treasure rare on the 3rd pack. Are they all going to be bangers? Are they all going to be bangers? Or that's the biggest hit. This is like the complete opposite from what I had from the booster box of this. I think I got no hits until like the final 3 packs. Oh, let's fucking go. Secret rare. Not alt, right? It's not alt. No. Or not secret rare. Oh my god. Super rare. Super Frankie. That's nice. That's nice. Damn. Great box. Great box. We have a lot of boxes here. A lot. I finally signed up for a Target Red Circle card. If you get One Piece, that's the thing to sign up for, man. Let me tell you. You get 5% off every day. This is not an ad, by the way. I'm just trying to share the cheapest way to get One Piece packs, but you get a 5% off every day on any purchase in the store. And I think when you sign up to get the card, you get a $5 coupon too. And sometimes they give you random coupons as well. Like I got a 10% off coupon for toys and collectibles. And this is what I spent it on. Unfortunately, I didn't mean to use that because I was going to buy the new upcoming Flame Fruit bundles. But I didn't know how the app worked, so I just kind of like scanned my thing and then it applied every reward I had to my 4 double packs. So I was a little disappointed about that. Didn't really get a full bang for my buck, but on the bright side, I got 4 double packs for $30. I mean, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. There you go. There's a little financial tip with Chef Rossi for you guys. Let's see what we got here. What's this orange chocolate, by the way? Oh! Another Don! Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking the Don. And then 2 rares, Queen, and... Did that happen last time? Didn't we get Queen and Dalton from the last one, too? I don't know. I'm getting some deja vu. But, yeah, not bad, not bad. I'll take a Don. I mean, that's really the reason I wanted these for so long anyway. I wanted the cool Don in them. I mean, obviously not the pack Don, but the special limited edition Don, which I'm assuming now that we've gotten 3 of the Whitebeard, that the Rayleigh one is the rare one. Okay, here's one of the scuffed boxes. I think it's okay though. I think it's salvageable. Yeah, we're chilling, we're chilling. Thank God they put this in there. Look at that damage. Need some flex tape. Ugh. This also creates so much paper waste, but whatever. Okay, let's see what we got. Don card. We're finally gonna get our first Rayleigh. I'm not looking. No! Where's Rayleigh at, man? Where's my boy? What was it? Or I could just get a full set of Whitebeard, Guruguru no Mi, Don. That'd be fine too. I'd take that. I would take that for sure. And you wanna know what I would also take? A manga. A manga. A manga. Wait, what? Did I miss something? What? Hello? Wait, what? What? Where'd the leader go? What? Oh, what? Wait, can that just happen? Have I ever 2 rares without a leader? I guess that happens sometimes, though. I can't remember the last time that ever happened to me. That's freaky. Okay. Huh. Weird. Okay. Sure. Whatever. We'll roll with it. Of course, it's from the damaged one. I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's possible. That's so weird. I feel like I've never seen that before. Oh. Oh, we're about to get another one, aren't we? Yeah! Another one with no leader. That's strange. 2 rares, no leader. Is that... Did I get scamoozed? Did I get scamoozed, or am I crazy? That was one of the Walmart ones. Should have kept them completely separate now that I'm thinking about it. But, I mean, we can definitely tell which one are the Walmart ones. Ugh. So weird. Okay, well, here. Let's do another Walmart one. I think I already opened a Walmart one, too. So, I mean, I guess it's not all of them. That one, it's just a weird print, maybe? I have a giant pile of this crap from these boxes. It's so funny. Alright, let's see. How damaged are these looking? Okay, this is looking a little rough. Little rough, but not terrible. Yeah, cards are good. Cards are good, thankfully. So I guess, I mean, we'll wait and see until this one. The one that got run over by a bicycle. But, let's take a look. Come on, Rayleigh. Rayleigh. Give me some Rayleigh. Fuck, another Whitebeard, man. Where is Rayleigh at? This is getting drunk, getting head from Shiakachu. I always forget her name, to be honest. Ugh. But let's get some pulls. Let's get some pulls. Been a little too dry. I mean, the body was fantastic. I ain't complaining about that. But ooh, oh, don't tell me there's going to be another 2 rares. Oh no, there's a leader. Okay, yeah, that was weird. See, that was weird. There was no leader for the other ones. I don't know. I don't know, man. Walmart's playing tricks on me, man. Who owns Walmart? Jeff Bezos? No, it's the other rich guy. Oh! Oh, let's go! I need that, actually, for my Rob Lucci deck, I think. Nice. SR Kaido. We definitely take those. Nice. Finally another hit. Have I? Yeah, that's only the 3rd hit out of... God, what pack are we on now? We're like halfway through. That was, I think, 8 packs. Or no, not 8 packs. 10 packs, right? I think I did 5. Oh, that's wild. Alright. We're holding out. We're holding out for the crushed one. The crushed one's obviously going to have the best pulls. Because it's going to be a... It's going to be a PSA 3 manga Rayleigh, obviously. Now this one. This one, I believe, is Target. It looks nice. So let's see. Target's done us good. So hopefully they follow through with their pulls. Let's see it. Now I think the thing with this set is obviously it's a filler set I would like to say. Where is Rayleigh? Where is he? Where is he? I need to know. Don't tell me we're not getting one Rayleigh. That kind of sucks. But yeah, with this set being a filler set, I'm probably done with 08 after this. Honestly, I did the pre-release with a box. I got a box online, and these double packs. It's literally all I've bought. Not even like one-off packs for like my own personal fun. No, I've literally only gotten packs to record, and that's really it. Ooh, Imperial Flame. Okay. Oh, but PRB 1 is coming out, the best, and I'm super excited for that. That's going to be a fun one with all the reprints, the Dawn. Oh, the Dawn, the 50 types of Dawn. Oh, let's go. Alternate art Pedro. There's a banger. Let's get a close up on that. Oh, this little cigarette. God, I love how One Piece advocates for smoking. What a good series for little Japanese children. There we go. We needed that. Damn, so we got 2 big hits. That's awesome. Essentially, that's a booster box right there. And we've only opened 5 of these guys. I mean, double packs are kind of stacked, man. I at least that's what I feel. Pretty sure I got, what I get? I got like an alternate art leader from, oh, you know what? I got alternate art Vegapunk, I believe, before these, back when 07 was a thing, but anyway, yeah. After 08, I believe, PRB is going to be fun, and then 09. Oh, 09 is going to be, I'm going to be going crazy. And I'm also going to be going crazy because I'm not getting a Rayleigh Dawn, aren't I? Just, I mean, I'll take a full set of Whitebeard, man. Whatever, if that's the way it's going to be. I'm fine with it. But I can't stop thinking about 09. 2 more months, and then it's popping off. Ooh! Oh, that's huge? Question mark? I don't know if this is big. A secret rare alternate art. Big Mom and Kaido. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. That's a booster box. That's a banging booster box. The treasure rare and the alternate art. Whatever the hell he was. And the Kaido and the Vault. That's beautiful. Now I think I like the other one better though. The regular version. That one's a banger. And then this one, I don't know, it's a little, it doesn't shout alternate art to me. Still a great one though, still a great one. Alright. Here we go. Nah. I wonder if I could get 2 good hits from one double pack. That'd be nice. Yeah, another one with no leader. I guess that's just a thing I never noticed. I guess because I really... You know what? No, because I really only buy the boxes when I'm opening packs, so I don't really see the no leader with all the rares in them. So I guess that makes sense. The rares without a leader are a individual pack type of deal, I suppose. Okay, let's see this. Last one before the chewed up one. Excited to see what's gonna be in that. So we get our Rayleigh. Our Rayleigh is gonna be busted. It's going to be disgusting if it's not in this one. Because I know it's gonna be in the last. I know it's gonna be in the crinkled one. Please, Rayleigh, please. Not a single Rayleigh. Not a single Rayleigh. That's insane. 8 boxes. 8 boxes. No Rayleigh. Oh, God. Whatever. I mean, 2 away from a complete set, man. I guess also worth something, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Last packs of the good quality cards. Let's see it. Nothing. Later. No later, yeah. Got here. Last not shoot up cards. Bada bing. Bada boom. Yeah. That's a good card. Later. Yeah. Alright. We're down to the last one, the moment of truth. This is where we'll shine. This, mark my words, this is where the manga is. Ugh. Why am I even opening this? I'm gonna be so upset, aren't I? Ugh. Manga Rayleigh done, and I don't know. Treasure Rare Queen. It's literally, that's gonna be this box. Oh god, alright, slide it out. Oh, looking good, man. Looking good, Joker. Okay. Oh. Okay, you know what? The cards might be fine. The cards might be fine. Let's. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, let's excavate it out. Okay, lovely. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe the cards aren't fine. Oh. You know what? They might be okay. They might be okay. This Don I'm a little worried for. It's just a single card and it was right up against the box and cardboard, but let's see it. Did we get our Rayleigh? No Rayleigh. 9 boxes, no Rayleigh. What are the odds of that? Holy shit. When I got my 07 double packs, I would, I think it was like half and half with the Boa Don, which was the rare one, and the regular one, but, I mean, here we go, final 2. Let's see it. Anything good? No. Boo. Later? Yeah, later. Final one. Let's see it. Oh, God. Oh, crap is spilling. All the environmental damage is spilling all over. Alright. Last pack magic. Anything can happen. Including a stuffed as hell damaged manga. Let's see it. No, Whitebeard, please leave me alone. Whitebeard, no. Hey, you know what? I'll take it. Honestly, thank God, because look, it's scuffed. It's a little scuffed on the edge. Yeah, see. Goodbye, OP08. That's all I'm opening. Everyone say goodbye to Rayleigh and Whitebeard. Bye-bye, guys. See you later. I'll never get your Don, Rayleigh. So long. Bye-bye. Go to hell.